This spoken tutorial hello relational operators in Java. Hakane tutorial in puli shapang boolean data type relational operators at kumno ba jor data like relational operators. Na benta kan tutorial ni penankam Ubuntu kadway panchipo JDK iwi panhindrio Eclipse live panhinyo. An board ikan tutorial pide panan jingtip shapang data types haka Java. Nada nakabenta tutorial bayaday sa homepage ng website jingi kumalapan ihang ni. Yaki relational operators na panangka check yaki conditions. Kajingmi jangki kalang variable batay boolean data type. Ka size jang boolean data type kaday 1 bit. Kabu tang artali ki values. True lani false. True kaday kajingmi haba condition kalang true. False kaday kajingmi lada ka condition kalang true. Kini ki list jangki relational operators button. Greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, but not equal to. Ni sampai dunia yaki iway pa iway. Pasha Eclipse. Hang ni ngidon yaki Eclipse IDE, but ka shinrong kabadan kam yaki code bahadian. Ngaladabishna yaka class boolean demo, but add yaka main method. Menta tungin add yaki katuk at ni expression. Type boolean B. Ka keyword boolean kapan i ba variable B uday boolean data type. In tab ya ka jingmi jang condition how B. In batay yu variable weight but check ya condition da ka papanan kam yu variable. In weight equal to 45. In what ka value jang weight lada ukam he ban yu solve how. B equal to weight greater than 40. Kani ka statement ka ong what ya ka value jang variable lada ka kam he yu solve how but pen pao ya ka jingmi how B. Minta tungin print ya ka value jang B. System.out.println B. Save but run. Kumbang iyo kajingmi kalong true. Tungin page ka ka bajia lada ka value kalong 100 ban yourself ho. Pinkala weight shalai ho. Save but run. Nila bani pakajingmi kalong false kumbala kami ilanti. Hakani karukom symbol greater than la penan kam banwat lada way value ukam he bani way part. Kumjuru less than symbol la penan kam banwat lada way value ukam red bani way part. Tungin pinkala you greater than show less than symbol. Kumta nuwat balada ka value jong weight ka kam red bani usop ho. Save run. Kumbang iyo ka jimi ka long true kumbala kami linti. Tungin pinkala ka value jong weight show sausan but pet ka jimi. Save but run. Nila bani pangyo ka false naman ka condition. Weight less than 40 come long true. Metangin pet kumno banwat lada value ulong yaringkat but way part. Manle kamta niha ban penankam artli ki symbol equal. Pinkala you less than symbol show double equal. Save but run. Kumbang iyo ka jingmi kalong false naman ka value jong weight kamlong yaringkat but solve ho. Minta tungin pinkala you weight show solve ho but pet ka jingmi. Save but run. Kumbang UI kajengmi kalong true. Hakani kurukom double equal lapanan kam banwat ya kajeng rengkat. Sombhara pikir nomor bunsin ki beriu ki penankam tang lu symbol single equal to banwat kajeng rengkat. Bakanik penmi kajeng bakla. Hading impact kumno banwat you less than or equal to. Manle kamta ni penankam you less than symbol both da equal to symbol. Penkala you double equal to show less than equal to. Save but run. Kajengmi kalong true kumbalak mi ilti. Menta token pinkalai ka value jo weight ban yu I baladau less than utrikam ni m. Pinkalai u sokho show life ho. Save but run. Ni yu I wala weight umlong yang kat bu sokho yo ya kajengmi bakalong true namara ulong khamret ban yu sokho. Token pet ke ek banja la value jo weight u kham he ban yu sokho. Token tho sanpho. Save but run. Kumbang yu I kajengmi kalong false namar ka value jo weight kamlong yang kat bu sokho. But come to naru yo sokho. Kumju ni penankam you greater than symbol both sadaw equal to symbol but what you greater than equal to. Tun persyang yaka. Penkala you less than equal to show greater than equal to. Save but run. Kumbang yo I kajingmi kalong true namar weight ukam he ban you sokho. Tungin penkala you weight show value come to na ban you sokho. Tungin tho life ho. Save but run. Ni yo I yaka false namar ka value jo weight come he ban you sokho but kamong yerengkat bu sokho. Hari ingin pet kumlo nuwat you not equal to. La banle dak bapanan kam do exclamation mark both are equal to symbol. Pinkala you greater than show exclamation. Kumta kani ka statement ko ong wari ka value jung weight dada kamlong yang kat bo sok ko pat pun pau ka jingmi ho b. Save but run. Kumbang iyo I ka jingmi kalong true namar ka value jung weight kamlong yang kat bo sok ko. Dengan pinkala you weight show sok ho pat pet ka jingmi. Pinkala you life ho show sok ho. Save but run. Yo ka false namar ka condition weight not equal to 40 kalong false. Yo not equal to condition lawan ang bulong mana persya yo equal to condition. Teha kani karukom bangi penankam yaki relational operators bangi nujor ki data haka Java. Takani ngila poish ka bakot jokodi ki tutorial. Hakani tutorial ngila pulish pang boolean data type ki relational operators but kumno par penankam yaki relational operators bangi nujor ki data. Kum ka assignment na kabanta kani ka tutorial what ada kini ki alternate ki expression ki long yaring kat. Bantep kambuan sipang ka spoken tutorial project page kani video hakaling harum. Kabatay lingkot sipang ka spoken tutorial project. Napimdan ka bandwidth ka baklan pila ban download bat page ka. Ka spoken tutorial project team ka penyat ki workshop na kapapanan kam da ki spoken tutorial. Ka certificate ka pass ka online test. Yak jingti bakabnya sobat ho syaka contact at spoken-tutorial.org. The Spoken Tutorial Project kadesh benta naka project Talk to a Teacher. The Karshanika naka National Mission on Education limbaka ICT, MHRD Government of India. Khambon ki jingtip halar kani commission kadan hakani kaling. Ya kani script of clash of tin kasi like fabricat one sham. Kulishiwa.